Hey guys, it's Seedluck signing back in. Today we are playing random games, literally random games. So let's escape prison. I've never played these. Wait, I've played this once. Okay, we'll download the Adobe flash drive. Okay, I played this one when I was trying to make my video. You guys can't hear the game sound. How do I turn this down? This is not my laptop, so I mean my PC. Oh, I want the screen brightness. Okay. Well, okay. Let's just go ahead and start. Okay, so it's locked. I'm gonna take that light bulb. Okay. Okay. So there's a clock. Guess I'd like to wait a while. Okay, we'll pick that up. Put this in the toilet. Okay, drink. Ooh, we got food. Okay, we got a fork now. Okay, let's use that fork to... I don't know. This game makes no sense. Okay, let's put it back right here. Let's wait a few more hours. Okay, let's turn around and see if there's anything new. Okay, let's use another fork. Okay, so we just took the front off of that. Let's destroy it even more. Maybe we can put one of these down the toilet. We need a spoon. Okay. Oh, there's the sound. Okay, there. I turned that music off. That music's so annoying, but you guys wouldn't have heard it. Wait, what happened there? Okay, I don't know what I just did, but that's good. Well, at least I think it is. Maybe if I... What do I do now? This game's weird. I wish I could take the light bulb out. Let's look up there. Stab somebody with this fork. Okay. I really do give up on this. This is... Okay, let's try a different game, because I cannot take this. Let's play some car games. Bike racing. Here, this looks like Tron. I love Tron. Put this back in my ear. Okay, it's loading Blur Racing. Blur. Okay. No, write a review. Have not played yet. Yeah, I can't do that, and I'm not making an account. Oops. Okay, I actually like the music in this one. Okay, it's like a... Wow, that is loud. I just don't know how to turn the noise down on this computer. It doesn't have where I can turn the noise down. Okay. Give you extra time, decrease time. Extra. Give me coins, damage you. Oh. Okay, now I know it's... How do I move? Okay. This is like not what I was expecting. Yeah, this is not what I was hoping it would be. So I just tap where I want to go. Okay, oh crap. Okay, we got this. Turn. Yeah, this game is like really boring. Yeah. I give this game a 0, and I was really we'll try shooting. Okay, that's just making sure it's still recording. I thought it was, but I didn't know for sure, so needed to check that. Okay. Let's go down here. And if you all wonder what I'm using, it's Screencast-O-Matic. And guys, I'm at it's my vacation, so I'm actually using the hotel's computer. That's what I meant by my friends. But I will have my computer up and running soon, so I can do these videos, and I'll be able to actually play Fortnite on those ones. This one doesn't allow you to play Fortnite. Sift, Sniper Assassin 5, Final Mission. Okay, that sounds cool. It's Stickman dancing. You're copying for. Oops. Why does it say Walking Dead Road to Survival when I'm playing Sniper Assassin? That makes no sense. Okay, we got some. Yeah, I literally just lost that. Rocket kills, sharpshooters, or what the one we were just playing. And that one was stupid looking anyways. Even though it looked kinda cool. I don't like playing Stickman games very well. There is one that I like, and I saw these YouTubers playing it and it looked really cool. New game. Leaders, weapons. Okay, the double pistols like from Fortnite. Not what I was expecting. That must be pretty tough because I'm taking bullets. This is pretty violent when it's supposed. It shows more blood than Fortnite does. Yeah, you can help me, sir. Yeah, I don't like my double pistol. I want. It's probably actually better. I'll take you too. Okay. This is kind of fun. I've taken some damage. Okay, we already killed that guy. Okay. I don't know if we can. Okay, we can destroy that. Apparently. Oh, yeah, I don't want to get blown up with bombs. Okay. Apparently we get. Oh, crap. Oh, you want to go? Oh. That's right. You don't mess with us. We have missiles. What do you have? Upgrade. Okay. I want a new gun. Yeah. I want a new gun. Apparently not, though, so let's play. This will be our. Yeah, I'm done. I think it's like the same level over and over. Yep, it is. Okay, let's do some action. Fish versus chickens. Don't mind if I do. Okay. Let's trade this. No, this is such a knock. No, this is such a knockoff of Angry Birds. Mission failed. Oh my gosh. This is a disgrace to mankind. How can you knock off Angry Birds so bad? Okay. Okay. This makes no sense. How are the chickens underwater? Oh, they have their scuba masks on. That totally makes sense. I'm playing the same level over and over. Would you? Shooting. We want some action up in here. Wild Berry Fruit Loops. Kellogg's. This one's got a little kick to it. Total Recon. Throwback. Fastest poo in town. Fastest poo in town. Yeah. No thank you. I don't want to play a game called Hobo 7. Okay, we'll play whatever the heck this is. These are like these webs. Okay. Okay. A and S are the punch, and this is the move. Okay, this is something new. Okay, we'll click play. And I never use the arrows. I always use A, S, W, and D. Why do I have to play a game? Yeah, I don't think we're gonna play that. No, thank you. Let's play some X-Trial Racing. Play. Maybe this game doesn't have a. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. We'll go back to bike racing, and we'll just do this one. I just want to play a game that actually is decent. Oh my. And I will rate this. I thought I had to download something. I'm like, oh, I don't really like downloading anything. It's not my computer, but I mean, still, you don't want to get library this place viruses. Mountains 1. Okay. Now this is a knockoff of the one on the oval. No. You gotta use the arrow keys, which is uncomfortable for. You have to do an ad every time. Skip ad. I'm not paying money on this website. Okay, I want to play. Okay. Oh. Yeah, I don't think it. No, I don't want to watch another video. I've already watched one once. This is so hard to control. It's so touchy. Huh. Wow, I'm getting airtime. Okay, we'll do this level. Let's see if we can beat it. Oh, okay guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. Please subscribe and like the video and have